Hello, my name is Jermaine Bailey, also known as EpicJamaican. I'm 21 years old and life hit me hard. The first time it happened was 2 years ago. I didn't know what to do. I had no friends, I had nobody to hang out with. I had two Xbox controllers, but I didn't have anybody to play with. I had a pool outside, I had nobody to swim with.
It's okay. Let it out.
I had a car and nobody to drive around with. That's until I met Mackerel. Mackerel changed my life. Mackerel is the best thing to me. She listens to me, she does everything with me. It's like the best thing that ever happened to me, you know? I really feel like she's changed my life. Like, she's been very amazing.
No suit and tie, but baby, I go to work. Don't do it for the money, but that's one of the perks.